So today what we're going to do is now we're going to take that knowledge of the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, and we're going to start actually calculating inflations. Now on the last one I gave you a kind of made up numbers. These are actually accurate numbers. These are the true CPIs for the US from the year 1982 up until 2013. So we can actually actually measure what the actual inflation rate was. So the equation that you're going to use is the year 2 minus year 1 over year 1 times 100. Percent change, similar to what we did when we were talking elasticity. Now, these are the ranges of times that we're measuring inflation. Now, an easy one to do that I don't have on here, but we can use as a practice, what was the inflation rate between that base year of 82, 84 and 1985? How much did prices on average go up between that base year, which are really a set of 3 years, which is usually how it's done, and then 1985? Well, if we take year 2, that's 107.6, and we subtract 100, that'd be 7.6. Then if we divide it by 100, and then multiply by 100, you'd get 7.6. So that would be what that's saying is that prices on average rose 7.6% between that time frame. Now, you might be wondering, why do I have to divide by 100, multiply 100? Well, that's just because it's the base year. That's not going to happen in 2003. In 2003 to 2004, you would take 188.9 minus 184, which would be 4.9, divide it by year 1, which is the original year, which would be 184, and then multiply it by 100. And you're going to get an approximately like 2.5%, something like that. That's what you should come up with. So this is just talking about, okay, inflation is increasing, inflation is going up over time, so, or like prices are going up over time, and you're just trying to calculate how much of those prices going up, okay? So that's the work for today. Best of luck. Let me know if you have questions.